Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for March 19th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. Today's FirstWord Pharma News Roundup is sponsored by Sejadim. In our top news story, a study found that Sanofi's Luxumia was non-inferior, although not superior, to placebo for cardiovascular safety in a high-risk population of adults with type 2 diabetes. Sanofi plans to include data from the trial in a new filing to the FDA, which is on track to be resubmitted in the third quarter. Also featured, AstraZeneca entered an agreement with Daiichi Sankyo, potentially worth up to $825 million, to jointly market Movantik in the US. The drug was approved by the FDA last year for the treatment of opioid-induced constipation in adults with chronic non-cancer pain. In other news, Eli Lilly gained rights to Hanmi Pharmaceuticals' experimental BTK inhibitor HM71224 under a deal possibly worth up to $690 million. Thomas Bumall, Senior Vice President of Biotechnology and Immunology Research at Eli Lilly, said, "We're highly encouraged by the potential of HM71224 to deliver an innovative first-in-class treatment option." In addition, NovoNordisk expects to increase U.S. prices for its diabetes therapies this year and in 2016, despite competition from Sanofi and other drug makers. NovoNordisk Chief Operating Officer Kara Schultz said there will continue to be list price increases and increased discounting, so there will be a positive net pricing effect. And finally, Johnson & Johnson acquired XO1 for an undisclosed sum, gaining the antithrombin antibody icorkumab. The experimental therapy is designed to mimic the activity of a human antibody that appears to produce an anticoagulated state without predisposition to bleeding. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Take a look at us now, the new mobile intelligence. Performing better together.